I'm Dr. Roshan from Nepal. I came from Kathmandu. I'm working there as a consultant, and I heard about the hands-on training. I've done lots of observatory laparoscopic operations, and this was my first opportunity to do hands-on training in this Star Hospital, Garg, and I felt and I had a good experience, and I had hands-on training in TLH, and this hysteroscopy is all seen, and this septum dissection also we had it.
I think you were scrubbed in 2 cases of TLH.
Yeah, yeah. All lidoshares were done by myself, and on training we call it.
What is the status of laparoscopy in Nepal, Kathmandu?
It's just in a moving state, as I said. We need more experience and hands-on training also there.